Hello friends. How are you? In this video, we will know about health benefits of grapes. So let's start. Grapes. Grapes are available in various colors, including green, red, black, yellow, and pink. They come in multiple forms too, from raisins to jellies to juice. Seeded and seedless varieties also exist. Grapes. Grapes are full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're also full of water, which can help keep you hydrated. Grapes have high nutrient and antioxidant content. Nutrition facts of grapes. 1 cup, 151 grams, of red or green grapes provides calories, 104, carbs, 27 grams, protein, 1 gram, fat, 0.2 grams, fiber, 1.4 grams, copper, 21% of the daily value, vitamin K, 18% of the DV, thiamine, vitamin B 9% of the DV, riboflavin, vitamin B2 8% of the DV, vitamin B6, 8% of the DV, potassium, 6% of the DV, vitamin C, 5% of the DV, manganese, 5% of the DV, vitamin E, 2% of the DV. Benefits of eating grapes. Let's see what benefits we get by eating grapes. Help to lower blood pressure. Potassium is necessary for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Potassium can help bring down high blood pressure and lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. Grapes are high in potassium and mineral content that helps to balance fluids in your body. Promote heart health. The polyphenols in black grapes fight free radicals, which can cause heart disease. These compounds help treat hypertension and inflammation, thereby preventing strokes or heart attacks. Cancer defense. Grapes contain powerful antioxidants known as polyphenols. Grapes also contain quercetin, anthocyanin, and catechin antioxidants, all of which may have cancer-fighting effects. Research shows antioxidants in grapes may prevent or delay the growth of cancer cells. Benefit skin and hair health. Resveratrol may have numerous protective effects on your skin and hair. Grape seeds are rich in vitamin E, which helps your skin stay smooth and hydrated. Other compounds in grapes may help prevent acne and increase blood flow to your scalp for healthier hair. Boost immune system. Resveratrol in grapes has antimicrobial properties that inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungi like Campylobacter jejuni and Candida albicans. Grapes help to boost the immune system, your body's defense against germs. Good for your brain. Eating grapes may boost memory and brain health. Resveratrol in grapes slows the breakdown of cells that naturally happens as you age. Resveratrol may protect against Alzheimer's disease by reducing brain inflammation and removing amyloid beta peptide. Helps to lose weight. Grapes could help you drop some unwanted weight. A natural compound present in grapes to make it harder for your cells to store fat. It may also help fat cells in your body break up at a faster rate. Eye protection. Grapes contain several compounds, such as resveratrol, lutein, and zeaxanthin, that may help prevent common eye diseases. Natural chemicals in grapes ease inflammation in your body and help protect your cells from damage. That's good news for your eyes. Constipation relief. Low in fiber and dehydration is a common cause of constipation. The high water content in grapes can help your digestive system run more smoothly. Grapes are also full of insoluble fiber, which can lead to softer stools. Better sleep. Grapes' skin is natural source of melatonin, a sleep-promoting hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Studies show melatonin eases jet lag and insomnia and may help steady your mood. Support bone health. Grapes contain many minerals, including potassium, manganese, and vitamins B, C, and K, which help prevent osteoporosis, a condition that leads to fragile bones. Resveratrol may improve bone density, reducing the risk of major fractures. Keep blood sugar low. Grapes don't raise blood sugar too quickly, as they have a low glycemic index. Because of that, they're a good fruit choice for diabetic person. The polyphenols in purple grapes may also help prevent type 2 diabetes. Slow down aging. Resveratrol may delay signs of aging by mimicking the beneficial effects of calorie restriction, such as reducing oxidative stress, enhancing stress resistance, and improving inflammatory response. Resveratrol, found in grapes, has shown to lengthen lifespan. May fight inflammation. Black grapes contain flavins, anthocyanins, flavonols, and stilbenes compounds that fight inflammation. Resveratrol in grapes works as good as nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. The flavonols in black grapes can maintain the integrity of the veins and strengthen veins. May have anti-obesity effects. Obesity may increase risk of multiple health conditions, including diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Anthocyanins in grapes may have anti-obesity effects. Antioxidants in grapes may combat obesity by inhibiting appetite and preventing weight gain. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel